Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Okay, this is your boy Mark, back again with another video. Today, I'm going to be doing a review of a wireless charger / USB power strip tower from a company called Kungfuking. Alright? But like I said earlier, before we get started, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe button, and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, alright? Also, if you know anybody who's in the market for one of these power strip towers, go ahead and tell them about the video, and also I'm gonna leave a link in the description box for the product below. All right, I'm gonna leave a link below in the description box. All right, getting tongue tied. All right. Also, where you can find it is at Amazon for $26.99 at the time of this video. It also looks like they have a let's see, a 8% coupon at the time of this video. So, you know, if you know anybody interested in it, go ahead and click on the link down in the description box and go check it out. Alright. It looks like this bad boy has this is a power strip tower with 2 outlets and 4 outlets. Excuse me, 4 outlets and 4 USB, so it's 4 and 4. Four regular outlets, AC outlets, and 4 USB outlets. All right. Also, it has this is the main part that I was really interested in, is a wireless charger on top. That is too cool to have a power strip tower and have a wireless charging pad on top. So if you want to charge your buds, charge your phone, you know, there you go. That's what I'm talking about. And the color on this one is black. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do is go over to the table, unbox this bad boy, and see what's in the box. Okay. Let's check out what we got here in the box. It looks like we got a picture of the device on the box. Wireless charger, USB power strip. Like I say, a picture of the device right here on the box. And let's see here, some specs. We got the current on here. Let's see, what is this current saying? Turn on the lights. The current is 10 amps. And voltage is 110, 125 volt, and power is 1250 watt. Wireless charger 5 watt. And USB output 5 volt, 4.2 amp, and cable length is 2 meters / I think it's like 6 feet, but don't quote me on that. Material fire resistant. And product size, okay, you know, we get the gist of that. All right, let's see what else we got on here. Let's go ahead and open up this box. Let's see what we got in the box. Okay, we got the device itself wrapped in a nice little paper or whatever. All right, let's put that to the side. Let's see what we got else in the box. We got the instructions. You can pause this and read it for yourself. Let's see. Let me see. Can you see it? Okay. All right. Next, we're gonna get this box out of the way. Now, here's the device itself. Yeah. We got 2 AC ports on the side, outlets, and 2 AC outlets on the other side. And we got 2 USB ports on one side and 2 more on the other. And the star of the show is the wireless charging pad on top. That's what I'm really interested in, this right here. All right. It's made out of like hard plastic. I like a very sturdy device. Let's see here. What else is on here? We got the power. No, it's the overload protector right there. So if you overload this device, that thing will pop out so that you won't overload and something breaks or catch fire. Let's see. Don't want to do that. You want to overload the device. Make sure you read the instructions so you know what you're looking for. Also, it looks like they have some rubber stoppers on the bottom. Also, more specs. They got it written on the bottom of the device, so that's cool. So you always have the information for it. Okay, we're back up top. I got a few devices here that we could try out with this power strip tower. All right, let's see here. One thing I noticed about the thing, this AC cable is very, very sturdy. I mean, this thing is like stiff, so I think this it's pretty well made right here. So, I wouldn't even have to worry about this. You got a nice long cable, about 6 foot. It was like about close to 6 foot. I had to check out and measure it, but yeah. I mean, this is like a hard plastic, all right. But like I said, this cord right here is very, very stiff and it's very sturdy. So that's a plus right there. All right, we got 2 cell phones, 2 set of buds, and a charger, and we have a little USB light, and we got the moon lamp. All right, so we're gonna see if this thing works. All this stuff works with this surge protector / power strip tower. Or I shouldn't say surge protector, power strip tower. That's a better word for it. All right. Let's go ahead and let me try the wireless on there. Okay. Yeah, I know you can't see that right there, but let me show you. I'm gonna take it off again, and so you guys at home can see it. Charging. Too cool. It's not fast charging, but it's charging. When they come out with another version, I would like to see one that has fast charging. But hey, for right now, this is pretty good. And I think I'm gonna add this to my setup right here, so it'd be easier for me to, when I need to plug something up, it'd be easy for me just to go right ahead and bam and get to it. But let's go ahead and plug up some devices. Let's see here. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this other phone up right here. Let it charge. All right. And see here. Let's go ahead and plug up. You know what? I'm gonna take these off and see if the buds charge. Buds, yep. Buds are charging. So if you got some earbuds, see the little red light on there? It's charging. Too cool. All right, let's see about the other buds. Buds Live, Samsung Buds Live. Charging. Okay. Just got to get in the sweet spot. All right. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and leave these buds up here to charge. Go ahead and get them up to the charge. Let's see here. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the moon lamp, and I'm gonna plug the moon lamp into one of the USB ports. All right, here on the. I'll go ahead and plug it on this side, so you guys can see that I'm actually plugging it in. Bam, came on. Too cool, it came on. All right, let's see what else we got. Let's see, we got a battery charger for the camera. Let's go ahead and plug that in. Let's see here. Plug it in this way. So you can see it's charging. It's charging. All right, let's see what else we got here. I'm gonna plug in a cell phone in the back into the USB port. Let me go ahead and, in fact, I'm gonna use the same phone over here, the old Note. Let's see here. Go ahead and plug this bad boy up. Plug it in. Make sure I plug it in the right way. Bam, charging. All this stuff is charging. Wow, this is pretty cool. All right, let's try. Let me see. I'm gonna put this over here. I'm gonna take this off. Let's check out this little night light. See what this does. I'm gonna pull this out. Hopefully it don't blind you. All right. Go ahead and plug this in. Look at that. Too cool. Too cool. All this stuff can charge at the same time. Phone's still charging. Let's see. Battery charger charging. And matter of fact, I'm gonna plug the lamp up in the back. Let's see. All right. Bam. Just charging all this stuff. Too cool. Too cool. All right. Let me get some of this stuff out of my way. Unplug this. Get this phones. Unplug these phones. And unplug this light. The charger. Get some of this mess out of the way. All right. Overall, I think this is a pretty decent pickup. Like I said, I think I'm gonna incorporate this into my setup here. So like I said, it'd be easier for me when I need to plug something up to demonstrate it. It'd be easy for me to get to. So I can just have it sitting right here off to the side right there. And like while I'm here doing the videos, I can just go ahead and be charging up my phone at the same time and not have to be worrying about finding a plug to charge it in, you know. And then if I'm you know, want to use the buds or something, you know, want to make sure my buds are charged up before I get ready to leave out, just go ahead and plug them in there. So I mean, like I said, this is for me, I think this is very, very good pickup. And this is something that's really gonna come in convenient for me. So if, like I said, you know, if you have an office, this would be good to go on your desk. Also, you know, if you got a computer set up, you know, a nice little computer desk or streaming setup, podcast desk, this will be, you know, a perfect little thing to put on there. Just like I say, put it off to the side, you know, and you got 4 AC outlets and 4 USB ports. That's more than enough ports to charge anything. So I mean, if you got more stuff than that, hey, more power to you. If you got more stuff than that, but yeah, like I said, this is the power strip tower wireless charger with USB ports / surge protector. Yes, it says surge protector. It's reading right off the site. And I'm gonna leave a link for this product if you know anybody's interested in something like this. Also, if you want to see any more information on this, if there's something I left out, like I say, I'm not an expert in all this. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box so you can go ahead and click on it and check for yourself. All right. Like I said, not the expert in these things, but like I said, I'm just a guy who loves tech. All right. So if you know anybody who's in the market for one, who's interested in one, go ahead and tell a friend and tell a friend, you know, to come on and check the video out. And also, once they check the video out, go down there and click on that link to go ahead and pick them one up or get more information on there. All right. All right. So if you made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you notify new videos. Tell a friend, and also smash that like button. All right, smash the like button. All that stuff helps the channel. It helps the channel. All right. All right. I appreciate you guys checking out this video of this power strip tower from Kungfuking. That's a tongue twisting name, but Kungfuking. All right. But like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. Let me see. The message for today. With all the stuff that's going on today, I would say make sure you look out for one another, because you never know when you're gonna need somebody. So make sure when you're out and about, you know, your buddies, whatever, make sure you're always looking out for the person next to you, you know what I'm saying? As we say in the military, looking out for your buddy on the left and the right, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing the wrong way, left and right, whatever. Like I said, look out for somebody, all right? All right, always look out for somebody and look out, you know, make sure, because you never know if you're going to need that person, all right? This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. And where's the mic? Right here. Drop the mic. And I'm out. Peace.